Hi guys, good morning. It's already 9:14 and we're ready to go back to the other house, and we're coming back here next week. So yeah, bye house. We'll close the window and I'm gonna unplug this too. Too much plug, it's gonna cost us a lot of money. He will shake his head every time I see that. Look at him. Sammy is just finishing his coffee. And then we're ready to go. It's early today because...
You water any plants that needed to be watered?
Yeah, I did. And I did water them.
Our house is more than 3 times bigger.
I know. The one that we have here is very small.
Which means the bill will be smaller too.
Lower.
But we're going to fill more up.
It's very cold right here, guys. Super cold. Over here, hon. Is this the one here? No.
No. Garage should be... We're going to go to the garage.
I thought it's the one. Where?
This is the fill, that's the whistle.
Why is kinda tilted?
That's the fill.
Oh,
You fill that and this whistles.
okay. That guy's flying, guys. Look at that. Flying. Flying. Wak wak. Uwak. That's a big uwak, guys. It's a big uwak. A hawk, hun, right? Hawk? A hawk. Hi guys, my husband said, you have camera, take a picture. So I have to take the camera and show it to you guys. Because...
money shot back there.
I know. But the cloud is so pretty too.
Yeah.
Even though it's so cloudy, but just... Oh, the cups. Cupsy. Yes, it's a cup.
A cop.
So what is it then? I can't wait to see my babies, really. Guys, it's kind of hot. It's cold, but the sun is attacking me in this side over here. It's hot now.
Menopause. Cold, you're hot, you're menopause.
Now Tommy called me, I'm menopausal syndrome.
Cold, you're hot, you're cold. I'm cold. Oh, I'm really freezing. Oh, I'm really hot. Oh, I'm really freezing. Oh, I'm really hot.
And I'm going to do a shout out to Lisa Vigil. Hi Lisa Vigil. Thank you for watching. Let me know again if you want to be in my shout out. And to Ofi Coloma. Hi Ofi Coloma from Davao. Thank you for the comment, sis. And shout out to Cutie D. Hi Cutie D. Okay, Forever Young. Thank you for watching. Hearty Cindy. Thank you. Hi Pinky Rice Girl. Pinky Rice Girl. She have a channel. She's been on YouTube for a long time and now she's back on YouTube, which is the one she made a YouTube channel, Mrs. Bisdak, and she's not there anymore. She went back to her old YouTube channel, which is really good, sis, that you go back to the original YouTube channel. You have the Pinky Rice Girl, as in Pinky Rice Girl, like G-U-R-L. I'll put the name down below here. I've been watching you and now I'm so happy that you guys are back. Hi Chris. If Cheng is watching, oh well, Cheng is not watching. Kindly say hi to Cheng. Chong. Keep watching the vlog. No, hon, that's an insult, hon. That's an insult. Oh dear. A deer, a female deer. Huh?
What's a male deer?
I'm singing. Do a deer, a female deer. That's a song.
You look very, very majestic.
What's the difference about the female and the male?
Antlers.
Huh?
The antlers.
Oh. It's just staring, right? You see that? It's just looking.
Male deer is called a buck. Female deer is called a doe.
A duck?
A doe.
A doe.
That's the song. A doe. A deer. A female deer.
Doe, a deer. A female. So the female is doe.
Right.
Ah, that's why.
Oh, yeah. Well, you all mean something.
Guys, I'm gonna tell you something. It is a female. Doe, a deer, a female deer. So doe is a female. What is the male?
A buck.
A buck. Buck. I'm thinking buck. My God, that's the song why they called it doe a deer. That's why I thought doe. Why does it do like a doe pizza dough? Oh my God, I learned. I know the song, but it's just freaking. I don't know what's the meaning of the doe. A deer, a female deer. Papa.
Maybe we should go back and watch the movie.
There is a movie of that.
Oh, jeez. Where do you think it came from?
I thought it's just a freaking song.
Oh,
So there is a movie in that song.
right.
So that's a movie. Ay, shocking. Malapit na kami sa bahay pero malapit na kami sa bahay. Huminto lang kami dito sa may pizzeria. At saka nandun yung asawa ko na nigarilyo sa labas ng pizzeria. At nanonood ng video ng Simple Reyes. Si Reyes na taga Cebu na dumating na sa Cebu. Yun. So yun guys. Wala na masyadong ganap. Ito ang tagal. Doon pa yung isa na nigarilyo. Ano ba to? At may kausap sa phone. Ay. Sino ba yung kausap mo? Ha? Sige na. Ito yan. Sige na. Sana mayroong taliling lang talaga ako guys. We're home. But I'm going to do the kids. Where are they?
They're in the kitchen.
Uploading the video. Nag-upload lang ako ng video. At makalat ang lamesa. Sobrang kalat pagdating ko. Linisin ko ito mamaya kasi may bisitang darating na doktor ng asawa ko. Punta dito. So yun. Yun lang. Nag-edit lang ako kasi hindi ako naka-edit ng kaninang umaga kasi nag-upload ako ngayon kasi hindi ako naka-upload mga kaninang umaga. Kasi nag-upload yung asawa ko ng movie na para sa trabaho. At umalis na yung kapatid ng asawa ko. Umalis na siya. Nag-i-edit naman ako ng may nag-request kasi yung sa yung morning routine. So ginawa ko yung morning routine. Look at Hubs. Look at his position. What kind of position is that, Hubs? Huh? What kind of position is that? What kind of position is that, huh? I know. He's leaking when he does that. So, look at this thing. This is the problem. Look at that. He just lay down. Natutulog lang ang dalawa. Dinala ko yung blanket nila kasi gusto nila. Look, tingnan mo. Gustong-gusto ng isa. Pwede naman silang mag-share. Look at Misty. They miss me so much. They miss me so much. You guys miss Mama so much. Ano ba, Hubs? Na-miss kita, baby. I miss my little bug. I miss my little bug. I love you. I love you, bug. Talaga naman ito. I love him so much. He has a scratch here. I thought it's part of his head, but no, it's in her ear area, like the entrance of the ear of his ear. Dun ang dugo na ano gumagahi gumagahi. It's getting harder, and I think it became a scar. Scab scab hub, scab scab hub, nice scab scab hub. Look how cute is that bug. Look how cute is this bug we have over here. Oh, look how cute is this bug mama. Oh. Gusto kong mag-drive dun sa Costco. Malapit lang man. Gusto kong mag-drive dun sa Costco. Kasi gusto kong kumuha ng croissants. Kaso, naliligo pa yung asawa ko. At saka nasa kanya yung car keys. At saka parang traffic na rin ngayon parang marami ng customer ngayon sa Costco kasi alisa na from work. So nagsa-shopping na. Maramihan ng mga tao doon. Mahirap na sa cashier. Linya na, mataas ng linya. So yun guys, nandito na kami at wala masyadong ginagawa. At saka dry na yung lips ko. Yung asawa ko may kausap sa telepono. Samtang naliligo while in the shower, he's in the phone. Who's taking the phone? That's why he bring his phone all the time in the shower, that he can talk to somebody. Now I have to listen. You know, I'm a wife. Now I have to listen. Let's see if I can find some steak here, because I don't know if we have. Oh, we have some. We have 3 steaks. So this I'm gonna make, and that's it. So I'm gonna defrost this and I'm gonna cook this later on. Yung asawa ko guys, naghihintay lang ng ng appointment niya. Tingnan niyo. Ang gwapo. Sobrang gwapo. Tingnan niyo. Tingnan niyo. Tingnan niyo ng palagi. Tingnan niyo. Sige na guys, sobrang gwapo talaga. Not smiling at all. He is not smiling. And look what he's doing. Playing cards.
Well, I'm waiting for my download.
He looked very serious, but he's just playing cards.
I'm waiting for my download to finish. Because it's getting sketchy.
Sketchy? What is sketchy?
Stuttery.
Stuttery?
Well, sketchy doesn't mean stuttery. Sketchy means it could fail any time. Like it's not stable. And I really can't have it fail because
When do they need that?
he needs that. I'm sure he's going to pick up tomorrow.
Oh, tomorrow from work?
Yeah.
Misty said, don't bite my blanket. Oh. Misty, Roxy, you share, okay? Share the blankets. Look, sis. Ay, not di mami now? I told you to listen. Share it. Go ahead, Roxy. Go in the other side. Don't blink your eyes. Don't wink me. And Roxy is too. What are you doing? What is going on? Who is the cutest? Who is the cutest? What are you doing, Rox? Let's go. Rox is so fast. Let's go take baho. Take. Let's go take.
Probably crack one.
Why?
So it's not so smoky smelling.
He's so guapo. He's so handsome. Han? I love you, handsome. Okay. Roxy, I love you, Roxy. I love you, Misty. Do you want treats? And boons? Who wants some boonsy
Little
boonsy?
retreat in the house. Stop eating. Jump right down.
Yeah. Oh my God, guys. You are such... I'm gonna focus in your face, Roxy, because you are the cutest, Roxy. Look at Roxy's face. It's very cute, guys. Look at that face. Look at the face. Look at that. Look at Misty too. Oh, Misty, no. Misty cold. Oh, Misty cold. Ah. Hi guys, we're up and ready in bed lying down. And I'm just gonna put this back because and there's another one double because it's freezing. God! Matutulog na kami guys. So bukas na lang. Salamat sa panonood at